Today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $28 every 10 minutes using Google Translate. And I'm also giving away 5 free memberships to my Pro University course. So if you want to sign up to win those, just go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe to this video and you're automatically entered to win. If you share the video with a friend and your friend wins, you also get 1 free membership as well. I'll be announcing the winner as soon as I hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. So using this method, you're going to be making $28 every 10 minutes. Multiply that by 6, which is a full hour, you're going to be making $168 per hour. If you do this for 5 hours a day, it's going to be $840 a day. So the first website that you're going to be using is obviously Google Translate. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right, when you type Google Translate on Google, you're going to see that Google Translate is going to be the first website that's going to pop up. All you have to do is click on it to open it. All right, I believe you're very familiar with Google Translate already, but I'm going to explain how you're going to use it anyway. If you don't know, when you type something in Google Translate like hello, it's going to translate to the language in question. So right now it's translating from English to Spanish. Hello, it translated hola, it translated into Spanish. That's pretty easy and straightforward. Now, the second thing that you have to do is subscribe to this channel right now if you like the sound of making money online, because that's literally all I do here on this channel. I post free videos every single week with different methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? You're missing out. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now and let's continue. Okay, so the second website that we're going to be using is called CPA Grip, which is a website that I've covered here before on the channel. So what you have to do to find CPA Grip is only type in Google CPA Grip. By the way, I'm leaving a text file in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video with all the links included in the resources also in it. All right, so if you need anything, just look over there. Okay, once you type CPA Grip on Google, you're going to find the first website is cpagrip.com. Just click on that one. It's going to take you to the homepage of the website. The reason why I love this website is because it's really easy to get offers and it's really easy to get people to sign up to it. If you're wondering, anyone around the globe can do this method. You can easily get paid via PayPal and bank transfers wherever you are. This website offers many ways for you to cash your money out, so you don't have to worry about that. So on the last video that I created, a lot of people had questions on how to register for an account at CPA Grip. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the whole process. All right, so when you hit the website, all you have to do is click register on the top right corner. Okay, so when you click register, this is the information that you're going to have to fill out. First name, last name. You don't need to put in company name. You don't need to put in website. They're going to ask you for your address. They're going to ask you for your country and city, state, region, zip code, phone number, and a Skype IM name. I have no idea why they ask for a Skype. I mean, who uses Skype? But if you don't have a Skype, just type in anything in here. And when they ask you for publisher type, you're going to choose website insent, okay? Then you're going to input your email address, a password, and you're going to choose a time zone. When they ask you where you found out about them, just say YouTube. After that, all you have to do is log into the website. Okay, so when you log into CPA Grip, what you're going to see is a dashboard and you're going to be seeing this public chat right here where people are going to be posting their wins. Okay, so here you can see how much money people are making. It says here, Dino Labs has earned $29,681 with 18,505 leads. But this is not what you want to look at. What you have to look at are 3 things. The first thing that you want to check is your payment center. So you want to go to payment center. Okay, so when you hit payment center, the thing that you need to cash out, you need $50 as a minimum payment amount. All right, that's pretty easy to get. Don't worry about that. Everything that I'm teaching here, I teach in my Pro University course. In my course, I teach you how you can create a profitable YouTube business. I teach you how you can create a cash cow YouTube channel that generates money for you without you having even to make videos. Or even you could create a personal YouTube channel like mine here. I teach all the secrets and insider details. This amount that you're seeing on the screen right now is just one YouTube channel that generates me passive income every single month. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is my personal YouTube channel, how many subscribers I've got in the last 28 days. I was able to achieve more than 60,000 subscribers in 28 days. This is an insane amount of growth. And I teach every single thing step by step inside the course. I also teach how you can set up an affiliate marketing business that you can set up once and it generates cash for you while you sleep on autopilot. I teach you how you can build a profitable e-commerce business and also how to grow your social media and how to become an influencer using TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Now, how much money do you think you need to be financially free? What would you do with an extra automated $10,000 to $15,000 every single month? Would you retire your family, travel the world, pay those student loans? Currently, this course is being launched 1 module every single week. And because of that, for the price of a night out meal of $49, you can start building your automated online business today. But if you really want to join, then hurry, because soon I'm going to be raising the price of the course. And for the people that have joined now, while the course is still launching, I'm going to keep the price of $49 a month. So if you're interested in building an online business, don't hesitate. Go join now and I'll see you inside. On the right hand side, you're going to select a payment method. And the payment methods that they accept are Payoneer, prepaid MasterCard, Payoneer, global bank transfer, ACH transfer for US banks only, and PayPal. So they accept global bank transfers and prepaid MasterCards from Payoneer, all right? So go ahead and register for that. The second thing that you need to check is account settings. When you hit account settings, you're going to see this thing right here, tax documents for USA publishers or international publishers. If you live in the USA, you're just going to file a W9 USA. And if you live outside the USA, you're just going to file this W8 international, okay? You don't need to be a US citizen. You just have to choose the right one. If you live in the USA, it's W9. If you don't, it's W8. After you've done those two things, what you need to do is go to offer tools on the left hand side here, click my offers, and now you're going to be redirected to the good part. Once you hit this part, what you want to do is you want to choose a European high paying country. Why are we going to use European countries? Because the USA market for the CPA offers are very, very crowded and hard to get customers. If you use offers in other languages, you can get them much easier. Therefore, you can make a lot more money. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. So for you to do that, all you have to do is choose the country here. Instead of United States, I'm going to put something like Spain. It doesn't have to be Spain. It could be France. It could be Switzerland. It could be anything, all right? I'm choosing Spain for this one because I did it on my last video as well. So once you choose Spain, this is the part that everyone was getting stuck on my last video. So pay close attention. There was some information that I forgot to mention in my last video, but I'm going to speak about all of them here in this video. By the way, speaking about offers, Webull, the investment app, has approached me with an offer that I can offer to my subscribers only. If you just sign up for their app for free and deposit any amount, it could be 0.001 cents, they are going to be rewarding you with 12 fractional shares valued at up to $30,600. So if you want free money up to $30,600, go sign up for the app and do a qualifying deposit of any amount. Like always, link is in the description and in the text file document. So for you to find offers, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click category. When you select this, it's only going to show you offers that people need to submit their emails, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to go up here and you want to select mobile, because most of the people that are going to be seeing this ad are going to be using their phones. So you want mobile offers, all right? So choose here mobile. Okay, so now we're seeing only email submits and only mobile offers. Now what you have to do is you need to sort it by payout. And you just click on payout once and click on it twice, and then it's going to sort out by payout from top to bottom. So right now the highest paying offer is $1.24, but the one that we're going to be using on this one is paying $1.02. And I'm going to go with this PS5 offer because I've had pretty good results with the PS5 offer before. So listen very closely to this part because this is where most people went wrong last time. You're going to scroll up to the top of the page, and where you see affiliate, you're going to copy this number. Only copy the number. Don't copy anything else, just the number. All right, copy that. We're gonna save it somewhere safe. Just open a Google Doc. To open a Google Doc, all you have to do is go to Google and type docs. And it's going to show you Google Docs. Just click this link right here. It's going to open a new document. Just click blank right here, and you're going to save your affiliate number so you don't lose it. Now go back to CPA Grip offers. Go back to the offer that you chose. Click on it. What you're going to do is you're going to paste that number at the end of this link right here. Just paste it here. All right, so it equals your affiliate number. After you've done that, what you want to do is copy the link. Now, let me clarify two things here really quick. If you're logged into this website and you cannot see the offers, it's just because you're not in the United States. All you have to do is log in with a VPN, and you're going to have access to all of the offers on this website. If you don't have a VPN, I'm going to show you in just a second what you have to do to get one for free. As soon as you log into the VPN and select United States, you're going to be redirected to all of the offers in this website if you're not able to see them. Now, the second thing that I want to clarify is if you're choosing a mobile offer and you try to open it in a computer, it's not going to work. So if I take this link right here, even if I add all of my affiliate links to the end, if I try to open this in my computer, this is what I'm going to get. It's not going to work. It's not going to open because I'm trying to open a mobile offer in my computer. It doesn't work, okay? So you need to open mobile offers in a cell phone and you need to open computer offers in a computer. Now, the next thing that I want to clarify is you don't need to be in Spain to promote the offer. Even if you cannot open the offer, it still works. All you have to do is promote it to the right country. If you do that, it's still going to work. People in Spain are still going to be able to open it and see it. If you want to see the offer, all you have to do is after you have your affiliate link that you can promote, even if you're not in that country and you can't open the link, you're still able to promote that link and still earn from it. So if you want to see it, all you have to do is set your VPN to the country that you're trying to do. In my case, it's Spain. And if I really wanted to see it, all I would do is set it for desktop. I'd find a desktop offer like this one, PS5, just copy it, put my affiliate number at the end, copy the link. Now I have here my other laptop just to show you how this works. I've just copied and pasted the same offer without using the VPN, and I'm going to place enter. It doesn't work. Now, if I log into the Surfshark VPN, which is the one that I have for you guys, and by the way, my channel is partnered with Surfshark VPN. If you sign up for Surfshark VPN using the link in the text document, you're going to get it for 3 months for free, and you also get an 83% discount on your monthly membership if you decide to continue with it after your 3-month free trial. So this is the VPN that I'm using right now. So as you can see, it didn't work. It did not open. Now I'm going to turn on the VPN. I opened it, selected Madrid. All right, the VPN is connecting. All done. I'm connected to Madrid. Now I'm just going to reopen the same link. All right, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has some offers in there. It didn't open the picture on this side because the VPN actually blocks some pictures from being opened. So it didn't load the picture, but the website worked. I don't know if you're able to see it, but you know, there are some fields that people can input their information here to in a PS5. So now that that's clarified, I don't have to live in Spain to promote the offer. Even if it doesn't open for me, if people in Spain click on it, they're going to see the offer, okay? So now save that affiliate link. I'm going to go to my Google Doc here. I'm going to save the affiliate link right here. I'm going to go to Google again, and I'm going to get a cool picture of a PS5. I'm just going to type in PS5 on Google, and I'm going to go to images. All right, this one looks pretty dope. Okay, let me save this picture. So as you guys can see, I'm saving everything in this Google Doc here. You can do the same. Now for this traffic method that I'm going to use, you don't need to shorten the link, but there's 2 ways of doing it. The first way you can do it is you can check out my System.io video, which I'm going to link it at the end of this video for you to watch. And what you're going to do using the System.io video is you're going to get my free website, you're going to build a landing page, and you're going to drive traffic to that landing page and grab people's emails. And as soon as they sign up for the email, you're going to redirect them to your offer. If you use this method that I've just taught you right now, you can still use a website that we used in the last video, Traffic Ad Bar, and it's not going to block your links. The reason why it blocks most of the links is because you drive traffic directly to your affiliate link, and sometimes Traffic Ad Bar doesn't accept that. But if you do the System.io method first and build a landing page, and when people give you their email, first you're going to be building your email list so you can contact that customer at any time, and second, you're not going to get your links blocked by Traffic Ad Bar. So if you want to go for that method, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave the thumbnail on the screen. You can just click and watch that video. Now, if you don't want to use Traffic Ad Bar, I'm going to give you a different traffic method that you can use that is much easier than Traffic Ad Bar. All right, so now that you know how it works, I'm going to pretend that you already went to the System.io video and got your free landing page. You're going to promote traffic to your landing page, and when people give you their email, they're also going to be signing up to win the PS5 or whatever offer you're promoting. Okay, so let's pretend that I already did that as well and I have a funnel, and let's say this is the link to my funnel, and when people go into that link, they input their email, they're also going to see the offer to win a PS5. Okay, so I'm going to promote traffic to this link right here and not this link, because this link is already going to be embedded in the System.io funnel that I give you in the other video. And if you promote this link directly, you're going to get blocked by any traffic platform. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take my link to my funnel, which is my free website, the one that I gave you guys in the other video, and I'm going to go to this website here called Linkvertise. And what this website does, it pays you for each 1,000 clicks that you get from their website, and they also promote your link at the same time. Okay, so they pay roughly €8.50 for each 1,000 clicks, depends a little bit on the country, and they also support ACH transfers, wire transfers, PayPal, and e-check. So it supports United States folks and also worldwide folks as well. You're all good to go. And remember, this is only a secondary payment on top of the offers that you're already going to be promoting. So what you want to do is, since I've already covered this website here on this channel, and I'm also going to leave the link for you in a text file, I'm not going to show you how you register to this website, but basically all you need is your email, a password, and a username. Okay, so if this site is in German, all you have to do when you log in is click here on the top, English, and it's going to translate the website into English. Right now, all I'm going to do here is log into my account. All right, so I'm successfully logged in, and if you watch my other video, you're going to learn how to operate this website fully. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to click English to translate the website again, and then I'm going to create link. What you want to do is create link because we need to advertise our link. Okay, so click on that. Now I'm going to get the link for my funnel, which is my free website that's going to be advertising the PS5. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in this set target URL here. Once you do that, all you have to do is click this arrow here on the bottom. As you can see, if it were to block your link, it would have blocked right now. And if you're in this part right now, then you're good to go. It's asking you add this content to Linkvertise search network to get more clicks. You obviously want to leave that on. You need to add a short link title. And now we need to go back to Google Translate because most of the offers are going to be in other languages. So we need to go back to Google Translate. Okay, since I'm giving away a PS5 and I need a short title, I'm just going to type in free PS5 giveaway, and it came up with this sorteo de PS5 gratis. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go back to Linkvertise and I'm going to type it in here. Just copy and paste. All right, as you can see, it's good to go. Just click this green check mark right here and we're going to go to the link title. Now this link title, it can be a little longer than the other one. So let's go back to Google Translate. Click here to enter a free PS5 giveaway. I'm just going to copy the translation, go back to Linkvertise and paste it here. All right, now it gave me the green check mark. Click next. Link description. So now for the description of my offer, what I'm going to write is click this offer to enter for a free PS5 giveaway. And I'm just going to copy the translation as well. Okay, so I actually need to add a little bit more information. So I'm going to go back to Google Translate and now I typed, all you have to do is enter your email, sit back and relax. So I'm just going to copy the translation once again. I'm going to add it to the link description. Okay, so now it gave me the green check mark. Let's click next. Frequently asked questions. You don't need to type anything, just click the plus and it's going to have some pre-entered FAQs for you. Just click the green check mark. Now picture and video. Remember the PS5 picture that I got before? I'm just going to upload it here to the picture linked content because as you can see on the top right here, this is going to be our ad and you definitely want something representing what you're offering. Okay, it's going to get a lot more clicks if you do it. All right, so I'm uploading my PS5. I'm just going to upload it like this. Okay, you can see the preview here. Just click OK. All right, looks great. Now all I have to do is click this arrow here again. All right, it's asking me what type of ad I want to run and I just leave all of them on. Click next. All right, so you're good to go. So it's asking you if you want to get your link to share it with other people so that they can also perform this and you can earn even more money from the clicks. I'm not going to do this. It's not necessary. They already promote it for us. So at this point, you just click done and now you're good to go. So if you watched my last video from Google Translate, this will work with Traffic Adbar and also Linkvertise. Remember, I left all the resources and links that you need in the text document below. Let's recapitulate step by step once again. Step 1, go to Google Translate. Step 2, go to CPA Grip, register for an account. Step 3, get your offer correctly. Step 4, make sure you're getting a mobile offer. Step 5, go to the System.io video and get your free landing page so you can promote your offer. Step 6, get your funnel link, come to Linkvertise and register for an account and advertise your funnel link in Linkvertise. And the last step, sit back and relax. Now, if you want to watch those videos, you can just click any of them here on the screen. I'll see you on those videos. Work hard, play hard.